Hey everyone, have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, man, my teeth could use some serious help? But the thought of expensive dental visits or painful procedures just makes you cringe? Well, today I'm diving into something wild, the Navy tooth repair hack. Yeah, you heard that right. A dental trick supposedly inspired by Navy divers that promises to fix your teeth and gums at home. I was skeptical too, but stick with me because I've done the research, tested it out, and I'm spilling all the details in this review. Let's see if this is a game changer or just another overhyped fad. So what's the Navy tooth repair hack? It's this buzzworthy method that's been popping up everywhere, on TikTok, blogs, even from a guy named Dr. Norbert Miles, who claims it's based on how Navy divers keep their teeth in top shape despite crazy underwater conditions. The big idea? It's all about boosting oxygen to your gums and teeth with natural ingredients to fight decay, heal gums, and even save you from the dentist drill. Sounds too good to be true, right? I thought so too. So I dug in to find out what's real. First off, let's break it down. The hack isn't some secret military formula locked in a vault. It's actually tied to a product called Denticore, a soft, chewable supplement that Dr. Miles says mimics what Navy divers use. The pitch is simple. Chew it daily, and it floods your mouth with oxygen and nutrients to tackle the root causes of dental problems, like bleeding gums, sensitivity, and cavities. They say it's backed by science from places like Harvard and Cambridge, which got my attention. But I'm no scientist, so I wanted to know, does it actually work? Here's the deal. Denticore's got ingredients like calcium, peppermint, and something called shilajit, which, fun fact, is this ancient mineral goo from the Himalayas. Weird, right? But it's supposed to remineralize your teeth and fight bacteria. I gave it a shot for 3 weeks straight, chewing one a day after brushing. Full disclosure, I've had sensitive teeth forever, and my gums bleed if I even look at a piece of floss too hard. So, I was the perfect guinea pig. Week 1? Honestly, not much. My breath was fresher, thanks peppermint, but my sensitivity was still there. I almost gave up, but I'd promised myself I'd see this through. By week 2, though, something shifted. My gums weren't as red, and brushing didn't feel like a horror movie anymore. Week 3, I could sip cold water without wincing, and my dentist even noticed my gums looked healthier at my last checkup. Coincidence? Maybe, but I'm starting to think there's something to this oxygen idea. Now let's keep it real. This isn't a magic bullet. If you've got a cracked tooth or need a root canal, this won't replace a dentist. And the Navy part? It's more marketing than military secret. Divers deal with diver's mouth syndrome from pressure changes. But there's no official Navy handbook saying, chew this. Still, the science checks out somewhat. Studies do show oxygen can mess with bad bacteria in your mouth, and remineralizing ingredients like calcium can strengthen enamel over time. It's not a scam, but it's not a miracle either. It's a solid boost if you're consistent. So who's this for? If you're like me, tired of endless dental bills, wanting healthier gums, or just curious about a natural fix, this could be worth a try. It's affordable, easy, and honestly kinda fun to chew. Plus, there's a discount link below if you want to snag it cheap. I'll hook you up. But if you're expecting overnight Hollywood teeth, temper those dreams. It's a slow burn, not a quick fix. Final verdict? I'm giving the Navy tooth repair hack a solid 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's helped me more than I expected, and I'm sticking with it. If you've tried it, or you're about to, drop a comment and let me know your story. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more honest reviews, and click the link below to grab Denticore at a steal. Thanks for watching, and here's to smiling without the stress. See you next time.